subscribers and everybody else. I hope you've had a wicked Christmas and you're all fat from eating all that cake, and because you can't go anywhere because of lockdown. Anyway, I thought I'd put how far we've come along, where we are now with the build, because all the new ones gotta catch up, I suppose. So if we go back to the start. No. I turned up on May 2019. Wow, I mean that's gone really fast. So that's when the car turned up, and I didn't really have a clue what I was doing because I just never built a car before in my life. And how I come to having the car was I was making videos on motorbiking, enduroing and trials bikes, because that was my thing. And my arms unfortunately gave out, so the tendons in both of my arms are now absolutely, and I can't ride bikes anymore because I can't hold on to them. So I went through quite a dark period, you should say, and I come across that car, the car that we got today, and that kind of saved us, brought us out of their depression, I suppose you could call it that, and the rest is history, really. So if we go back through the videos one by one and leading up to where I am now, or for you new subscribers, because obviously you've now joined, and I don't know if you've actually gone back to the start and watched it from the beginning. It's a hell of a trip, so it is well worth looking back to the first video. Maybe you might come across one of my first videos of me motorbiking. Funny times, but nearly there. And yeah, so it brings us up to today. You really do need to go and watch those videos, because the progression that we've got to and where we are now on the build, which is coming to a close. I just got a couple of more events to build, and then it'll be interior. I got to save it for the clocks, because and they're not even in stock because they're waiting on one part for the replica gauges. So I'm still waiting on them, and then it'll be paint, I suppose, and then fitting the glass. So that'll be fun. Well, we are going to paint it ourselves, because that's what we do here. We've built the car basically from scratch up to now, just me and you guys, and painting it, well, that's also part of it. So we are on this channel, we are going to be probably the first people to ever build a car from scratch, do all the work ourselves, even spraying, for it being on the road, which is one hell of an achievement. Pat myself on the back, pat you guys on the back as well. And yeah, so let's run through some videos up to the present day. So give all you guys a nice catch up. So here we are. During the build, we had a lovely message off a Gary Thompson, and I didn't know who he was, and he was just talking in general.
Hello, Spooner. What's occurring?
Get there, boy! And then he decided to drop a massive bombshell on me that he was the actual guy back in 1985 that hired original Countach and copied it, which blew my mind really. For someone in the Countach world, he's a celebrity really. If it weren't for him and a couple of guys that he was with, we wouldn't have our cars. Simple as that. Maybe somebody further down the line might have done what he done, but he was the first guy that had actually done it. And for him to talk to me and talk to you guys was brilliant, absolutely brilliant. And a little bit of unfortunate at the moment because Gary is in hospital. Get well soon, Gary, right? Don't go dying on us because you're a legend. You're still a living legend and we don't need to be a dead legend, right? He's poorly at the moment, which I hope he get better soon. So he came onto the story, and it's crazy the amount of people that I've met and that we've all met through this channel is great, and the future is going to be even greater because along with building other people's dreams, Countach, we're actually developing the F40, the Ferrari F40. So, and that's coming along pretty good too. So I can't wait to start making videos on that. Up to today, and yeah, we had. We went down a couple of roads and they didn't work out, and that's led to me and a friend of mine starting up our own company. At the factory. Yeah, wow, that's cool. How cool is that? That's where your dreams are made as well as mine. So the factory, that just happened, and it's full on. I'm still doing my full-time job, which is full-time in itself. Never mind coming home. Then I gotta do my car, make videos, sort out, because I'm one of two people with the factory. John, my friend, he's up there doing most of the factory stuff, and I'm his right hand man, I suppose you could say, helping him with that. So the two of us are back and forth all the time, and then making the videos. So it's all fun, love it all. Won't want to be anywhere else, especially you guys watching and commenting and stuff like that, which is great. I love it all. So welcome into the new year. Don't get too drunk, and we can't go anywhere, so no one's going to be drink driving. Cross our fingers. And we shall catch you in the new year with another video. So thank you for watching, to everybody and the new subscribers. And I hope you liked that montage of where we started and where we finished up. Well, we haven't finished yet, but where we've ended up so far. And then on to some more videos. So we'll catch you in the next ones. Love you all. Welcome new subscribers again, and see you soon.